Be ready. Start. Leave granted. The present appeal by special leave questions the judgment and order dated 23rd May 2022 passed by a learned single judge of the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, dismissing an application under Order 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 instituted by the appellant, seeking quashing of the charge sheet as well as the pending criminal proceedings. In a nutshell, the prosecution's case is that on 14th January 2016 at about 7 am, the appellant was engaged in an altercation with the second respondent over the issue of drainage of water. It is alleged that during this altercation, the appellant verbally hurled caste-related abuses towards the complainant and his family members and subsequently physically assaulted the complainant, causing him multiple injuries. Consequently, on 20th January 2016, a first information report was registered against the appellant under sections 323 and 504 Indian Penal Code 1860 and 3, the Scheduled Castes and the Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. Investigation was conducted by the concerned circle officer. Upon investigation, which was completed within a day, the investigating officer reached the conclusion that there were materials against the appellant to send him up for trial, and consequently a charge sheet dated 21st January 2016 under sections 323, 504 IPC and 3 SC/ST Act was filed before the concerned court against him. The court took cognizance of the offence on 3rd May 2016. It is important to emphasize at this juncture that the appellant intended to lodge an FIR arising out of the same incident. According to him, he was badly beaten up by the complainant and his son with canes and lathis on 14th January 2016, as a result of which he too sustained injuries. On the same date, when the appellant approached the police station to lodge the FIR, it was not registered. Instead, the appellant was challaned and kept under detention by the concerned inspector in charge under sections 151, 107 and 116 CRPC. He was subsequently released upon furnishing bail bond. Owing to the failure of the police to register the FIR, the appellant moved an application under section 156 (3) CRPC. Pursuant to the order passed by the magistrate, an FIR dated 18th February 2016 was registered for the offences under sections 323, 325, 392, 452, 504, 506 IPC against the complainant. It is also noted that the appellant has instituted a suit before the civil court seeking permanent injunction against the complainant's continued encroachment upon the appellant's lands. The same is pending consideration before the competent court. Aggrieved by the aforesaid charge sheet, the appellant invoked the jurisdiction of the High Court on 5th October 2018 by applying under Section 482 Criminal Procedure Code. He sought quashing thereof as well as the criminal proceedings against him on the grounds that the said charge sheet discloses no offence and the present prosecution has been instituted with malified intention for the purposes of harassment. having held that a prima facie case for grant of interim relief was set up, the High Court wide interim order dated 15th November 2018 directed that no coercive action be taken against the appellant pending consideration of the application under Section 482 CRPC. However, upon a contested hearing, the High Court found no material irregularity in the charge sheet or the procedure followed by the court below in taking cognizance